Sophia, I am gonna put this on, and you're gonna go ready, set, go, or uno, dos, tres, or something like that, and you start the stopwatch. But before you do that, how many here believe in your heart that I can do it? Raise a hand. Very few. How many don't think I can do it? Raise a hand. Even fewer though, that's good. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you. Yeah, Captain America. Okay, let's be honest. How many don't care if I can do it? Raise a hand. Yeah, there we go. That's usually the last ones. Sophia, I'm ready. Are you ready? I'll put it on. Whenever you're ready, just go. Ready, set, go. Go, perfect. I didn't hear the ones before, but that's okay. Is there anybody in the audience who knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube?
No.
No one? So you guys are all gonna be impressed if I only do one side? No, okay, perfect. I'm gonna try to get them all, but it's very hard, so I might ask you some questions while I do it. And the first question in this case would be, is this side, I see it's a few turns left, is this side all white? Yeah? Really? And you're not impressed? No? Thank you, thank you. I'm impressed, okay? It's much better than last show. I'll try one more though. I'll try one more. So, Sophia, how's the time? 54 seconds. This usually takes me about 40 minutes, by the way, so you may want to sit down. No, I'm just kidding. But to leave right now would be very rude, okay? You don't do that, yeah? I think, we'll see, we'll do it like that. Peter?
Yeah.
Do you know what this is called?
Rubik's Cube?
No, it's called Too Much Spare Time and No Friends. That one is not a joke, by the way, so thank you for laughing. Yeah. I think, though, that this cube should be all sold right about there.
Oh. Yeah.
Is it everything inside? Okay, that's great.